Today, we're gonna be getting a green thing that allows you to choose what bait you get for fishing. Also, you have to get back into here, but how do you do that exactly? You have to do that. And now that we're in, we can start. Okay, that's just kind of creepy, but yeah, we have to get through this now. I'm looking at you, dumbass. But he thinks he can kill me. But he's so tough. Oh my gosh. You could one-shot me, but okay. So now we have this. And for this, we're gonna try to get a green button. Yeah. Are you serious right now, bro? Stop giving me the 6-7. Wait. It seems like this part's just like wine bottles with the paper in it. So far over here. Oh my god. I don't care. Get out. Not another come on, bro. You know what? What the heck is that thing? Stupid ass. What the hell? Not back on that thing for less than a second, bro. So here is the part where they try to make me die in the game. And yeah, wait, what's this? What the heck is this, bro? Ooh, oh wait, is that it? Is this what I was looking for? Maybe. Oh yeah, that's exactly it. Well, that's probably it. So I'm gonna leave the game and then rejoin. Ooh, is that supposed to be a fish? Oh wait, I think that's supposed to be a blaster or something. Gun. I'm pretty sure we just completed that tutorial. Yeah, let's see. Wait, where's the thing? Is it seriously gone, bro? I swear. God damn it. So apparently it expects me to do this forever. They're correct. I need to farm content, bro. I gotta do it. Oh my god, that thing jump scared me. Holy. Nope. Dude, I swear to god, that thing's so dumb. I swear to god, that thing does a single thing. I'm gonna crash out. Wait, what's that? Is this a... be it. Wait, maybe that might not be it. But let's see what happens after this is taken. I'm gonna leave it the last one in it. My character's hand. To see what I can get from it. Is there another one? Let's see. Yep, there's a lot more. Oh, so it looks like they're infinite. Huh. That's so weird. So he's not doing well. Maybe it's because I'm holding one of it. I wonder what's gonna happen if I do a lot more. Because it looks like I'm hurting it. Yeah, what's that white thing? That's not what I meant, that's not what I meant. Of course we don't need two. So what's in here? So that's just a random thing. Yeah, this is gonna be hard to pass. The hell, bro? I swear. Why the heck could I still hear that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. But let's just fish for a little bit still. Huh. I feel like there's gonna be a map there. I feel like there's gonna be like a boot or some random dumb object. Oh no, this is an actual fish. Just can't lose that. I really need that. Imagine I get 2 new things. Or 3. This. That's a salmon, I think. Yeah, that's definitely a salmon. So, according to my calculations, that's what allows you to do this. So, Stunk is a special weapon. You actually did it! No! That actually worked? That's actually crazy. Ooh, what's this? What's that called? Oh, that's carp. No, I know that was salmon. It's 2 stars. So, yeah, that is how you get the bait in game. Just, let's. You gotta be kidding me. But, like. Would they like it to. Uh, is it on? Yeah, let's. Yeah, let's try. Let's try fishing with this. Okay, what can I get from this? I bet I'm gonna get the basic fish. I'm definitely gonna get the basic fish. Oh, I got a wine bottle. How kind of you. What does this say? Huh, that's kind of dark and also kind of kind. Uh, how much is this stuff? Bro. when I gave it to him, he got all that. Oh, he better be happy that I gave him that. Well, that was the tutorial how to get bait in Animal Company